Hey guys, welcome to another really cool project by Remodelers. This one's super cool. Look at this backyard. It is a resort right outside their back door. They've got the pool, the louvered roof, the kitchen, fire, multiple fires. Super cool. Wait till you see this project. I really want to take you through a tour, and we've got something that we've never done before. It's a fireplace with a special look to it. Wait till you see it. It's super, super cool. Come on, check this out. So we'll start here with the kitchen. This is a NatureKast kitchen. We did it in black, and then we did the island right here in a sublimated powder-coated aluminum, a nice soft beachy color, looks like wood. And then the granite, look at this granite, absolutely gorgeous. Picks up all the colors. It's got a little bit of brown, black, white. Over here, kitchen, fully stocked with all the beverages that you need, both kids and adults, right? Grill. This NatureKast is fantastic. Built-in garbage. It's everything you have in an interior kitchen. Really, really beautiful. And come on, check out the lounge area. So we got the lounge area here, of course, heaters, ceiling fans. This place is set up for 10 months a year. This fireplace is super cool. It looks just like wood, but it'll never get any older and it'll never die. No maintenance needed, you wipe it off, it'll still look like wood 15 years from now. The see-through fireplace here, that's a twofer, right? So they have the nice lounge here with the see-through fireplace, they got the TV, the heaters, they're good to go. And then, bonus, look at this. The fire comes through to the dining area. You can see it from the pool. Another TV up there, got the sound wired around the pool, so it's very micro-focused sound, so it doesn't disturb the neighbors on movie night. When you have a bunch of kids in the pool floating around, watching the movie, super, super cool. How awesome is this? Another fire, big couch here by the pool, so you can hang out, watch the kids in the pool, sit around, have some drinks after dinner. This just came out absolutely awesome. These people are so thrilled. Really happy to have us back to see it all decorated. So if you guys like what you see and you want some more design inspiration, hit the follow button, hit the like button, and we'll see you guys at the next project.